Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm really very excited to share with you how to create a beautiful beaded bracelet at home using seed beads, pearl beads and crystal beads. This tutorial will guide you through the process of designing and making a beautiful classy beaded bracelet using bead knitting technique. Perfect for those who want to create unique and personalized accessories. I think it's a great hobby for all ages. So my friend, from which country you watch this video, please let me know in the comment section. So let's check the material list for this video. So we need some golden seed beads size 11O, white seed beads 11O, blue crystal beads 4 mm, golden seed beads 15O, pearl beads 4 mm, beading needle number 10, and beading thread 0.20 mm, and 3-way connector and jump rings, lobster clasps and extension chain. This is optional. Take about 360 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet, and you can start with your compatible length of the thread and leave 5 to 6 cm thread for the tail. I'm using here stopper bead, so pass the needle through the stopper bead twice. It will prevent your beadwork from slip off. Now I'm gonna pick up one crossover bead and 2 netting beads. Here golden is the crossover bead and white is the netting bead. So we need to pick up this sequence 7 times. Now let's pick up carefully. In total we have 21 beads, 7 golden or the crossover bead and 14 white or the netting beads. If you have any queries regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. Now let's count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sequence of 3 beads. Now drop it down to the end of the thread. Now without picking anything on my needle, skip the 2 crossover bead or the 2 golden beads. So we have to pass through the 3rd crossover golden bead. So I hope you can see clearly. Now pull the thread and it will create a loop like this. Now I'm gonna pick up 2 netting white beads, 1 golden crossover bead and 2 netting white beads. In total 5 beads. So we need to follow this sequence again and again. Now skip the middle crossover bead and pass through the next crossover bead. Hope you can see clearly. If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making shorts tutorial out there. Again pick up 2 netting beads, 1 crossover bead, 2 netting beads. In total 5 beads. Now pass through the last golden bead. Make sure you don't include the stopper bead here. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. Again I pick up 2 white, 1 golden and 2 white beads. In total 5 beads. Now pass through this first golden crossover bead here. For your convenience, I have listed the materials name and materials buying links in the description box and first pinned comment. Please check this out. Now I pick up 2 netting beads, 1 crossover bead and 2 netting beads and then pass through this golden crossover bead here. Again I pick up 2 white, 1 golden and 2 white beads and step down through the last golden crossover bead here. If you have any queries regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. Again pick up 2 knitting beads, 1 crossover bead and 2 knitting beads, and then pass through the first golden crossover bead. Again I pick up the same and pass through this golden crossover bead here. Again pick up the same sequence and pass through the last crossover golden bead. So we need to follow the same sequence to grow the bracelet according to your wrist size. I will be back after making mine. So you can see I just made mine. Now I'm gonna attach the connector here like this. So in this way we need to reach at this point. Simply pass the needle through this line.
If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads, crystal beads, and bracelet, necklace, earrings, finger rings, etc. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really support me and motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you.
You can see I just reached here. Now pass your needle through this connector hole and the previous white bead again. You can reinforce at this point.
Although you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street birds or animals, donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees.
Now pass through the next one white, one golden and one white bead here. Again pass the needle through the connector loop. Again go back through the previous white bead and then reinforce it. And then go back through the couple beads and then we need to reach to the next golden bead.
If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads, crystal beads, and bracelet, necklace, earrings, finger rings, etc.
Now pass the needle through the connector hole and the previous golden one. Now I'm gonna make the embellishment part here. So we have to reach to the golden crossover bead here, this golden bead. Now you can see my thread is coming out through this golden bead. Now I pick up one golden size 50 no, one pearl size 4 mm and one golden size 50 no. Now pass the needle through the next crossover golden bead here. Now I pick up one golden size 50 no, one crystal 4 mm and one golden 50 no. And then pass through the next golden crossover bead here. Again I pick up one golden 50 no, one pearl and one golden 50 no. So you can see there is no crossover bead here. That's why we need to pass the needle through the one white knitting bead in the left side. So keep in mind every time you have to follow the same sequence, one pearl set, one crystal set and one pearl set. Now pass through the next crossover golden bead here. Again follow the same, pick up one pearl set and then step up through the next one golden crossover bead here. Now I pick up one crystal set and then step up through the next golden crossover bead here. Now I pick up one pearl set and then pass through the next white netting bead in the right side and the next golden crossover bead here. Now I pick up one pearl set and then pass through the next golden crossover bead here. Then pick up one crystal set and pass through the next golden bead. Now pick up one pearl set and pass through the one white netting bead in the left side and the next golden bead. Now pick up one pearl set and then pass through the next one golden crossover bead and then follow the same sequence: one pearl set, one crystal set and one pearl set. Simply repeat the pattern to complete the bracelet. I'll be back after making. So you can see I just completed the embellishment. Now I'm gonna attach the connector in this side. Now step down through this way at this point. So simply pass the needle through the connector hole and the previous white bead. In this way connect the other hole with the bracelet. Now step down through the couple beads and then pass through the next golden bead. Now carefully remove the stopper bead and we have two thread ends. So carefully tie a few secure knots here and then cut off the extra tail thread. Now open the jump ring and attach it, then attach the clasp also. Now attach the another jump ring and the extension chain here. Now it's done. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you found this useful and enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you did, I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. And take care. Bye bye.